In life, challenges come to test us. Some people break down, while others rise higher than ever before. This is the story of one man who proved that with the power of positive thinking, nothing is impossible. Won the struggle. We see Michael Johnson, a 28-year-old man in Boston, USA. He works in a small cafe, struggling to pay rent. His bills are piling up. His car just broke down. His dream of starting his own business feels impossible. Michael grew up believing that life was unfair. Every failure felt permanent. Every setback felt like the end of the road. He was stuck in a negative cycle of fear and doubt. To the turning point. One evening, after another exhausting day, Michael sat alone in his tiny apartment. He opened a book gifted by his late father, The Power of Positive Thinking, by Norman Vincent Peale. As he turned the pages, something clicked. He realized, life doesn't change unless the mind changes first. He decided, from that day forward, to replace every negative thought with a positive one. 3. The transformation. Next morning, Michael wrote 3 affirmations on his wall. I will succeed. Every challenge is an opportunity. I am grateful for today. He repeated them daily. Instead of complaining at work, he smiled at customers, spread kindness, and kept telling himself, better days are coming. Slowly, his energy shifted. People noticed. His cafe boss promoted him to manager. He saved money, built connections, and started believing in his dream again. For the big leap. After 2 years of discipline and positive thinking, Michael finally launched his own small coffee shop called Rise and Shine. At first, it was tough. Long nights, financial risks, and doubts from others. But Michael held on to his positive mindset. He turned obstacles into lessons, failures into stepping stones. Within 5 years, Rise and Shine grew into one of the most loved coffee chains in his city. Reporters asked him, "What's your secret?" His answer was simple: positive thinking. The lesson. Camera zooms on Michael smiling inside his cafe, surrounded by happy customers. Michael's story proves that positive thinking is not magic. It doesn't remove problems, but it gives you the courage, strength, and faith to face them. When your mind is filled with positivity, your world transforms.